In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit your experience section on your LinkedIn profile. So here we are on the LinkedIn homepage. You can access your profile by clicking the Me item in the main menu and click on View Profile, or you click on the photograph or your name, and that will then take you through to your profile page. Now, if you scroll right down, here you see the experience section. You can add experience if you've changed jobs, started a new business, or you can edit what you have in there by clicking on the pencil. That will then open another page that has got all your experience listed in there with a pencil next to each one so that you can edit each one. Now, what I recommend to my clients is put in as much experience as you have and make it as complete as you can, especially if you're using your profile to attract the attention of potential clients. The more complete it is, the more information people have about you. I hope you found this video useful. Please check out the other videos on this playlist on other functionality on LinkedIn.